In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Gmail. Whether you want a professional email signature for work, business, or personal use, Gmail makes it easy to automatically include your name, contact information, links, and other details at the bottom of every email you send. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open Gmail settings. After the Quick Settings panel appears, click on See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can customize your account preferences and email options. Inside the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, Gmail allows you to create and manage one or multiple email signatures depending on your needs. Click the Create New button to start making your signature. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to name the signature. Type any name you want, such as work signature, personal signature, or business email, then click Create. Now you can begin designing your signature inside the text box. Most people include their full name, job title, business name, phone number, website, and social media links. Gmail also allows you to format the text by changing fonts, colors, alignment, and adding images or logos if needed. After creating your signature, look below the editor for signature defaults. This section lets you choose which signature Gmail should automatically use for new emails and replies. Select your new signature from the drop-down menus to make it active by default. Once everything looks good, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is very important because Gmail will not apply the signature until the changes are saved. To test it, click Compose and create a new email. You should now see your signature automatically appear at the bottom of the message. If needed, you can always return to the settings page later to edit, update, or delete your signature. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a signature in Gmail. A professional email signature can help make your emails look more organized, trustworthy, and polished for both personal and business communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.